have a new mascara from Maybelline, which is one of my favorite brands for mascaras, Maybelline and L'Oreal. This, I guess, is like another version from the Colossal. This is called the Colossal Curl Bounce Mascara, and I'm telling you, I love this packaging. I've been obsessed with the Air Volume Mascara. I'll leave a link to this mascara that I'm reviewing, and also a link in the comments and in the description of all the mascaras that I have reviewed. Now, I usually always review waterproof version mascaras because my lashes are very hard to curl, and it just happens that the formula of the waterproof helps with that much better than the regular version. So this is in 365 Very Black. Retails, like, I think you can get it for $7.99 to $10.99. It all depends where you purchase it, but I will leave it down below. Looks like it has a nice curled wand, as we see. The picture here doesn't look anything exciting to me, really. Like, just for that picture, I wouldn't have purchased this. That's the reason I have no eyeliner. You know, I always have my eyeliner, but I know you guys rather see how the mascara looks exactly without any liner. So here it is. Look at it. So it's like a nice, like, kind of round tube. Do you like the regular Colossal mascara? Let me know. I believe this, they have it in brownish black as well, and also in the Washable Formula. So if you're not interested in waterproof, just know they have the regular formula, of course. I just love when mascaras come out with waterproof as well. Not a lot of brands do that. Before I get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. I'm gonna quickly just curl this. There's no way that I can get a curl just with applying mascara, even if it's waterproof. Like, I must curl my lash. Let's see. Alright, so this is one coat. I know I can fix this area here. I usually never leave one coat. If you've seen my reviews, never. I would never just leave it like this. So let me see, what exactly is it saying that this would do? Big volume bouncy curl for up to 24 hour. Volume intense. I don't want to let it dry too much, but just with the one coat, I'm not impressed. Is it holding my curl? Yes, it is holding my curl. I just have to go at it one more time. Maybe because this is brand new, I didn't get like a lot of the product. Second coat, let's see, but just so you see the difference. Alright, I mean, I can't say I don't like it. It does look nice. Am I getting the curl? Yes, they're not straight. It is giving me volume, but I believe I have tried. Maybe my Air Volume gives a little bit more volume. It's not like super clumpy or anything. The formula is good. It's not like super wet, but it's not dry either. Feels good. I'm not feeling like any reaction. Let me do one more coat just because I have to. I have to. And I like to do it before the coat previously dries completely. You don't have to do as many coats. I just want to show you. That does look beautiful. I mean, you can actually see that I have lashes. Most of the time, Maybelline does not disappoint with their mascaras. I do like it better with 3 coats. I don't feel like it's too clumpy. Sometimes we judge a mascara, but it's really how we are applying it. Not all our lashes are the same, so maybe it might be working a different way for me, but this is just so you can see, just in case you have my same type of lashes. But that is looking really nice. I do want to go ahead and do this eye, but just look at the difference of this. And I do like the wand. You know, it has its nice curve there. But right now, like, I would feel very comfortable wearing this. Let's see how well it does in the bottom lash. Now, if you're careful with the application, this is a very good brush for the bottom lash just because how it's shaped. You know, it's not messy. I really like brushes like this, the hourglass shape or this shape. I like it. So look how pretty. I know it may look a bit clumpy, probably is. That's why it's good to always have a brush. If you don't have time for that, then just be careful with your application, you know. Now is to see if it flakes at all, or especially in the bottom. Like, if I would recommend after a couple of hours to see if it doesn't like flake and then this area is gonna be all black, I will let you know. So definitely check it out. The length is just magnificent, and I was running low on my air volume. Super excited. And the packaging, I like the packaging. I don't know, it's more to me like of a summery kind of packaging because of the yellow, the green, but not bad. I'm sure it could get pretty dirty, but I don't really care. Very well Maybelline once again. And it's just so pretty. Hope this helped you out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to watch the playlist of all the others that I have reviewed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!